A very warm welcome in Gurdeep's Cooking Passion, friends.
दोस्तों मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए नीचे दिए गए रेड सब्सक्राइब बटन पे क्लिक करें एंड मेरी वीडियोस के अपडेट्स पाने के लिए साथ ही में दिए गए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें जो कि आपके लिए बिल्कुल फ्री है।
Friends, today I am going to make some snacks using leftover stuffed onion chapati. Here I have the ingredients of snacks. I am using here 1.5 chapati. This is stuffed onion chapati. 1 bowl of small bowl. 1 bowl of maida, or you can say all-purpose flour. Half teaspoon of Carrom seeds. 1 teaspoon of Cummin seeds. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. 1 teaspoon of dry mango powder and water. So let's first of all I'm going to cut out very small and thin pieces of chapati. Now friends, I'm going to cut this in very small pieces. You can also cut the squares, you can also cut the triangular shape, you can also cut the strips or whatever you want. Let me show you what I'm going to cut in which shape. In zigzag motion. You can also cut the squares or strips, which is easy for you. These are very thin and very small. See, I'm going to cut hole. So friends, I have cut it out all the chapatis into the small pieces. Now I'm going to make the dough or batter to fry the chapatis. First of all, I'm taking here all-purpose flour, all dry ingredients, salt and pepper, dry mango powder, and the spices. Mix it well. If you want to add the baking soda, you can also add, but I'm not adding here. Now I'm going to add here the water. Don't make it so thick and so watery. Some kind of stuffy batter we need. So friends, it's done. I'm going to add the chapatis. We will pour into the oil with the help of the spoon. So mix it very well. It should not be runny consistency, otherwise this will not get fry. Leave this batter for 5 minutes so that the chapatis can stuff or can adopt all the spices, flavors of the spices and the salt and the pepper, and can get somehow thick. I'm going to pour this mixture with the help of the spoon. It's gone very thick now. Pour with the help of the spoon. Take small amount so that it can cook perfectly. Keep the flame slow. So these are ready. I'm going to pour these out to a tissue plate. Now, as the same, I'm going to prepare the whole batter. So friends, are very easy to make, simple and very delicious snacks are ready. I'm going to show you the crunchiness. See, these are very much crunchy, very much tasty. Let me taste it. Very nice, very crispy, very tasty. I'm sure that all your family members will love these snacks, or your children also love these snacks. Do try this recipe at your home and impress your family members. And if you like the snacks, the very easy and very much tasty snacks, hit the like button, share my video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for keep watching my videos.